According to a study by Harvard University, September is the month when the most babies are born. September also happens to be Life Insurance Awareness Month. And with so many young families and young parents across the United States, there has never been a better time for people to really assess their long-term financial planning. Joining me today is Eileen McDonnell, Chairman and CEO of the Penn Mutual Life Insurance Company. Eileen, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Of course. She's here to talk about her passion for life insurance, what new parents need to know, and why life insurance specifically has such a pivotal role. So Eileen, your company, Penn Mutual, recently conducted a national survey with some very interesting insights. Can you tell us what Penn Mutual found?
What we found was that most millennials view themselves as great planners. And we also know that September is the month where most babies are born. And those millennials are planning for the season and the month of their child's birth. We also know that they're spending a lot of time planning for the nursery or a family vacation. But they've also indicated that they're not spending as much time as maybe they should on their financial plans.
And you believe that life insurance is a critical part of financial plans and building that foundation?
Absolutely. A permanent life insurance product allows for two things. One, to have a death protection if something happened to one of the parents. And second is to accumulate funds that you can use over your lifetime for college or for retirement. I personally have tapped into my insurance products over my lifetime. In 2005, I stepped out of corporate life and I adopted my daughter, Claire. I launched a business, a consultancy at that time, and I was able to use the funds in my life insurance product to help me supplement the income that I needed.
And that's something I want to talk a little bit more about because you believe that life insurance is one of the best ways that young people can really accumulate wealth.
Absolutely. The best time to buy a life insurance product is when you're younger. The costs are less because most likely you're in the best health you're going to be in your lifetime. And you also have a longer time horizon to realize the benefits of the product.
And what were the differences Penn Mutual found across the different generations who were surveyed?
What we found were baby boomers understood about cash accumulation in a life insurance product and how they might utilize it over their lifetime. And in fact, many were. In contrast, the millennial generation was not as familiar about life insurance and the benefits of life insurance.
And what we're really trying to drive home is that young people don't necessarily have to go it alone. Can you explain how families and different generations can help young people plan for their future?
Nearly 60% of millennial parents had said that they would welcome a life insurance gift from their parents or grandparents upon the birth of a child. Our financial professionals work with families across generations to determine the right plans in order for them to have a secure financial future.
Excellent. Eileen, I want to thank you for coming here and sharing your insights about life insurance.
Thank you for having me.
Of course. And if you're interested in learning more about Penn Mutual or Life Insurance Awareness Month, you can visit pennmutual.com.